Hi, hello there everybody, welcome again in another video of our Python tutorial series. So in the last videos we've gone through some data types like integers and strings and floats and booleans. We covered the most basic ones, and in this video we're going to be talking about Python arithmetic operators. So let's get started. Well, arithmetic operators in Python are basically sort of the same like our old vanilla arithmetic operators that we are used to do in math. There are basically 7 of them. They are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There are also others like modulus and expensivation and floor division. So we're going to cover each one of them one by one. Let's start by talking about the addition operator. So we refer to the addition operator with the plus symbol. This is the addition operator we use it in order to add two numbers or even more than two numbers together. Like for example, I have this v1, give it a value of 4, and v2 a value of 8. When I do v1 plus v2, just like in basic math, I'm adding two numbers together, nothing new here. I use Control B, I see no errors because this is known in the Python library. So if I print if I print v1 plus v2, I should get the addition of those two variables, whatever that is. It's 12, and just like that, this is the addition. You just add two numbers together. You can add more than two numbers. Like for example, if I have a third variable here, let me call it v3 and give it a value of 10. So if I add v1 plus v2 plus v3, I should get 22, just like that. Come on, hit Control B and I get 22. Well, this is the addition operator, and if you've guessed it already, the subtraction operator is the negative sign, this sign. So just like in addition, we just define some variables here, v2 40, and we basically subtract the second value from the first value. We just take it away from it, just like in normal math. So if I do print v1 minus v2, I should get 5, just like that. It's easy peasy. And the third one is multiplication. In multiplication, we use the asterisk sign in order to refer to multiplication. So basically, when I do this, v1 gives v4 and v8, the first values. If I do v1 asterisk v2, all what I mean is v1 times v2. So I just have to get the multiplication of these two variables right here, which is 32. This is how we refer to the multiplication operator. It is used to find the product of two values, just like in normal math. And the fourth operator we're going to discuss is the division operator, and we refer to that by this symbol, just a /. So if I do 4 /, which stands for the division operator, and v2, it's like I'm saying v1 divided by v2. So when I hit Control B, I get 0.5, it floats. And if I wanted to get a number, an integer, without having to include this decimal parts of a number, I just have to use this two /, and I can get this value right here without any decimals. For example, if I have 1 divided by 2, if I do the normal division operator, I get 0.5, but if I add another / here, I should get 0. The 0.5 doesn't appear because it just gets rounded down to the latest value. The next operator we have is the Modulus Operator, and which is in Python used to find the remainder when the first operand is divided by the second, and we refer to that by this symbol right here. just the modulus operator. It is used to get the remainder. So if I do like 2 v1 remainder of v2, I get this value, because 2 only includes 1 of itself, it doesn't include anything else. But if I do like, for example, 4, how many 2's are in 4? I should get 2. Oh well, or just a 0. Well, I don't know modulus that much, so don't pay attention. Anyways, so the expensivation operator is like multiplication. We use it to find the raise of the first operand to the power of the second. Like if I want to find the power of 4, like the power of 4 of 2, all what I have to do is v1 and two symbols like this, 2 asterisks. It's like I'm saying 4 to the power of 2, which is equal to 16, I believe. Yeah, this is how we refer to the power of something, like here 4 to the power of 2. How does it equal? It does equal 16. And we have the floor division. The floor division is the one that I've talked about earlier when I discussed the division operator. It is this symbol, 2 forward slashes. By that we sum this video right here. These are the arithmetic operators, just the normal ones we are used to in elementary school, nothing more, nothing less. So if you like this video, give us a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. And thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Take care.